Today, my name is Vivian Ashley Evertusio and I'm writing to express my enthusiastic interest in the manager position at Google, as advertised on LinkedIn. With my 5 years of experience in digital marketing and proven track record of success in leading high-performing teams to achieve revenue targets exceeding 150% of projections, implementing successful of SEO strategies that increase organic traffic by 30%, and driving innovative marketing campaigns that resulted in a 20% increase in customer engagement. I am confident I possess the skills and drive to excel in this role and contribute significantly to your organization's growth. In my previous role as senior marketing manager at Facebook, I was responsible for overseeing all aspects of digital marketing campaigns, managing a team of 5 marketing professionals, and developing and executing integrated marketing strategies across various channels. I am adept at strategic planning, data analysis, budget management, client relationship, leading project management, and cross-functional collaboration. I am also a strong advocate for data-driven decision-making and fostering a creative and collaborative team environment. I am particularly drawn to Google's innovative experience culture, focused on user experience and commitment to pushing the boundaries of technology. I believe my skills and experience align perfectly with the requirements of this position, and I am eager to contribute to the continued success of Google. Thank you for your time and consideration. I have attached my resume for your review and welcome the opportunity to discuss my qualifications further in an interview. I can be reached at vivianashley19@gmail.com. Thank you again.